Alright guys, this review is more back with a quick product review on foodvacbags, all one word. You can go to foodvacbags.com, pick these up. They also have an Amazon store. Before we get into the very fast review that this should be, I will say please hit the like and subscribe button if you find this helpful. I do not use a foodsaver system. I use a off-brand from the Lidl grocery store brand, Silvercrest foodsaver. It's basically just a vacuum sealer. I use it for sous vide cooking as well as just preserving meats and certain vegetables inside the freezer. And vacuum bags are a great way to do that. These bags work just fine. The one flaw I will say they have is they're a little thin, and that can be good or bad. Because this is an off-brand, not super high-end food saver, it doesn't have the motor to it, so it doesn't have the suction power that those might have, but it works perfectly fine for me. So with thicker vacuum bags, you'll notice that it might not have enough suction, but because these are a little bit thinner, it works just fine. And you see me here testing the sealing function. It seals just fine. The plastic works great. I did a test on 3 different items with this, one with a little bit of liquid and 2 others just dry with just basically thawed chicken meat with some herbs and spices thrown in. Nothing really to it. It's a basic bag. It is a little on the thin side. It is advertised from my purchase as being, I want to say 4 micrometers, so very thin. But I'm not even sure it's that thick. That's one thing I was kind of not too happy with. That if I had a caliper, I would have done that, but I don't have one. But it's 4, not milliliters thick, but it's whatever 4 MIL stands for. I'm dumb. I don't know what that stands for, but it's fairly thin. But I feel like 4 MIL should be a little thicker than the way this felt. So I wonder if that's just a truth in advertising, the listing kind of deal, or maybe just me being too cautious. But overall, it worked just fine. I would feel very confident. I sous vided with this same setup shortly thereafter, and it worked great. There was no leaks, even under heat. I got some stuff in the freezer. It's still fine, still frozen. The vacuum seal has not been lost. Some of the complaints I've seen online about this, although I have not had this personal experience, is that depending on what you put in there, you might cause punctures. I don't know what you might put in there. Maybe something frozen, like a frozen vegetable, or possibly seafood like shrimp or maybe crab legs to preserve them over time. Those obviously have sharper corners, which means a thinner vacuum sealing bag is going to have those problems. And the remainder of the video is just a couple more demonstrations using chicken to seal, and you'll notice it works just fine. I'll cut the commentary off here, and you can continue watching if you like. If not, please hit the like button if you found this helpful, and I'll put a link to the actual description. Again, the bag brand here is foodvacbags, and I purchased a twin pack that was 11 by 50 feet, so basically 100 feet of roll here, but they have various sizes. But overall, foodvacbags, all one word, foodvacbags. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.